Welcome back to Making Adventure. We're going to go on an adventure with the pups, and then we're going to finish what we started yesterday, and hopefully we can get more done today.
Yep, so we need to go to Home Depot, we need to get some hinges, maybe some caulking, and then come back and cut that hole for the door to the motorcycle area. Last time you saw us just cut one side of this, and I did that on purpose, cut one slit, and then I'm gonna put my hinges in, then I'll cut the rest of it out. That way the door will be perfectly lined up and won't shift. So now this little door looks like it's not going to close very well, and that's because it's hitting this corner on this corner, and so I just need to knock that off just a little bit. If you go and look at your doors in your house, they probably have the same bevel on them. At the door shop we used to put a 3-degree bevel on them. This I'm just going to 45 back just a little bit.
So I'm going to crawl in here and look at where the diesel goes in at, and Kimi's going to go around back and blow air in the vent hole because we think the line is full of diesel, and if it starts bubbling up I'll tell him. If the vent hole's full of diesel, the air that's displacing the diesel that's not in the tank can't escape when we fill up the tank with diesel, so then diesel just doesn't go in the tank, it just kind of makes a mess. Wait! It started coming up! You think that solved it? Huh?
You should be able to fill it up.
Okay. It's a 5 gallon? I think it's about 5 gallon diesel tank. This yellow one that we broke yesterday. It pours very slowly. If you sit there and watch the line, it barely moves. So I'm going to be here for a minute. Now we can finish that wall, and we'll go from there. That's going to be it for today's video. I'm glad we got our walls done. If you liked our video, please like and subscribe, and come back tomorrow for another one.